Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we do the pneumatic circuit by using the fluid SMP software. So first of all, we do the figure P1 and we observe what's happen with the circuit or with the pneumatic. So first we need the input, which is compressor. We drag and we hold. And then the third one is we need the air service unit. Okay, so we drag. Okay, we adjust the arrangement. Okay, next we need the controller, which is the three-way valve. Okay, drag and we hold. And the last one is the output, which is the single acting cylinder. Okay, then we arrange. Okay, we must setting the configuration valve this. Okay, we click and then we choose the push button, and then we choose the spring return. So the last component will be like this, and then click OK. Okay, next we connect with the wire and drag. Okay, next is this. Click, hold and connect. Okay, we can adjust. For this, we choose the second button. Okay, and then also click and release. So we can run, and if you want to check this connection is error or not, just click and let's not have an error. So we can observe what's happened. Okay, when we push the button, the single acting will under pressure. When we release, is initial condition. Okay, that's all for the figure PL1. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next we move to another section, which is we do the circuit figure PL2. So first of all, we need the compressor. It's very important. We hold and we drag, and then we need the controller, which is a three-way valve. Hold and drag. Next we need the 5-way valve. In the last one, of course, the output, it is the double acting cylinder. Okay, we arrange. Okay, for this we advance. We use push button and spring return. Okay, same, so we just okay. For the 5-way valve, we advance. Okay, pneumatic electrically we choose this, and then spring return. Okay. Okay, so this seems picture. Okay. So it's really connect. Okay, connect, hold, and drag. Okay, so this connect to for the 5 is we choose the second is the tank. Okay, the 3 also tank, and click OK. Then we can connect as usually. So the last one, here we connect to the compressor. Okay. So for the 3 have errors, so we click and choose tank. Okay, and then we run. You can see that don't have any error, so we can observe what's happened. Okay, so when we push the 3-way valve and 4-way valve will in the under pressure, so the cylinder is pulled and the air will into the inside of the cylinder. Okay, when we release, it's initial condition. Okay, so before want to condensation, we stop the script. Okay. Today we will do another sections. We do the figure PL3 circuits. Okay, first of all, we need the compressor. Okay, just click and drag, and then we need the valve. Okay, we use CDV, and we need the 3-way valve. Okay, just hold and drag. We need 2 3-way valve, and then we need a 5-way valve. Okay, just hold and drag. And then we need the manometer, and measuring instrument. Set. Okay, 1 in 1 way at the shut off valves and flow control valves. Okay, we need this 1-way flow control valve, and of course we need the actuators, which is double 18 cylinder. We do arrangement and connect the line such as in the picture at figure PL3. For this valve, we add the mechanical manually push button, and then we add spring spray return. Okay, and then for this we add pneumatically, mechanical. This and the spray return. Okay, then for this we add pneumatically in this for birds of side. Okay, and then connect the lines, the valve with this valve. Okay, then it's not complete. We click here and label it. When S2 begin 0 and X and N is 100. Then click OK. So it's contact with this. So it's OK. And click the input. We add 1S2. So let's see the circuit is run on, right? Okay, it's fine. Okay, this bulb is contact with this adapter. So when we push this valve, so the air pressure is inside at the adapter, and when we release or switch off, it's in initial condition, so the air is came out from the cylinder. So this for the observation for figure PL3. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we do the next circuit, which is develop the right pneumatic circuit influence software based on the given component. So we have the double active cylinder, 5 two-way valve with selection switch, compressed air supplies, and service unit. So this component we connect to each other and choose the component from these choices. Okay, so let's build the circuit first. So from the component we need the double acting cylinder, which is this, and 5-way valve selection switch, compressed air supply, and its service unit. So let's see what's going on when we run the circuit. Okay, so this is initials. When we push the switch, okay, the air is under pressure, the cylinder is under pressure, so the air going to inside the cylinder. And when we in the initial condition, when we push the button in initial condition, so the air pressure is come out from the cylinder. So this is for the table PL1. Okay, so see the observe. So next we do the table PL2. The next circuit which have a 2 one-way flow current through valve, 1 manometer, 1 double acting cylinder, and compressed air supply, and lastly 5-way valve with selection switch. So first of all, we develop and we setting the components, which the specific that's the circuit one. and then we draw the line to connect this component. So let's move on. So from this component we can build or develop this circuit, which is have the manometer, one wave control valve, these two, double acting cylinder, this compressed air supply, and lastly is one wave valve with selection switch. Okay, so let's see what is going on when we write. Okay, so we write. Okay, let's see. Okay, when we push the valve, the buttons, okay, so the pressure, air pressure, the pressure of air pressure at the cylinder, which will turn into the cylinder, and when push back the cylinder and spray in initial conditions. And also one way valve is provide the air is run only one way, okay, do not have turn back. So this is all from this component. Okay, so we can see. Okay, that's all. Thank you.